So here is how you can search for transparent images on the Google on your phone, right? So let me guide you through it and show you how it would work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So I'm going to use the Safari web browser where I go directly to the new tab. And if I tap on Google like this, right, I have the ability to switch from all search to image only, obviously, right? And I can look up an image, right? Let's say I'm going to type in London, right? And yeah, I can look it up. The images are in here, whatever. But if I scroll through the tools in there, I can get all the way till the end and find the search tools. And if I tap on the search tools, I can click on the color and expand it and choose the transparent. So obviously I can filter by specific colors, but if I click on a transparent like this, you can see that it's going to show me the images which are in the PNG format and hopefully don't have any background behind it. So this is probably not a good example. So let me type in iPhone, right? So if I look up iPhone in there, make sure you perform it again. So right now I have to go to the color and choose transparent again. And in here, the images which looked up are in the PNG format. And you can see that they have a transparent background behind them, right? So if I hold down on it or save it, it's going to be like a PNG format with a transparent background. And you can see when I tap on it again, there is this like checked background behind them, meaning that there isn't any background. So that is how you can find transparent images on the iPhone or even on Android, obviously using any phone. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.